All right, what's going on, you guys? Happy Friday, first of the month, first of the quarter. My goodness, what's going to happen to the market today? Well, okay, so a couple things that you need to be aware of, at least in the things that's going on in the market is number one. There's talks about this yield inversion or inverting between the 2-year and the 10-year rates. Typically, when that happens, or the last time that happened, it was about August 2019, and then shortly thereafter we had COVID, but then stocks like just took off right after COVID. Not saying it's going to happen again, but that's what's on investor or Wall Street's minds this morning. It crossed yesterday and it crossed again this morning briefly. But it's no guarantee that anything bad will happen. It's just it's going to do what it's going to do. So just be aware of that. That's going to be in the headlines. That might cause some fear and panic in the market so far. But I mean, so far futures are up. The Qs are about 364 right now. What I'm looking for today, I'm going to hop over to the 4-hour chart. Is I'm going to look for a 367 breakout. Okay, so right here on the 4-hour chart, I'm including pre-market pricing. It's hopping back into my bull flag channel. Yesterday's selling at the end of the day was mostly, not mostly, but it was pretty much all the quarterly rebalancing. They usually do it at the last few minutes of the bell, and that caused a huge, it just threw off everybody's charts, right? So now it's trying to climb back into this channel. I'm looking for a clean break above 366 to continue to stay bullish. If we get hesitant there, if the market pulls back from here, then it's going to be interesting. But it's got to get back into this channel. It would be nice if we see a little breakout over 367, maybe touch 368 area would be great for a little breakout out of this flag. But the other thing is the jobs data, non-farming payroll jobs data is out in about 10 minutes or so. So we'll see how the market reacts to that. So that's pretty much all I'm watching today. That's Q. That's all I'm going to do today. Just look at Q, watch how the markets react going into next week. It is the first of the quarter. There's could be some optimism in the market, right? First of the quarter, first of the month, and all that. April is generally the best performing month for SPX for S&P 500. So we'll see what happens here. You can see the big dip yesterday, right? Dip down, then close under the moving average 100 yesterday on the SPX. So that doesn't look too great, but it's got to hop back into the channel. But again, that was a lot of quarterly rebalancing selling. So it wasn't a market sell-off, because if you follow me on Twitter, I talked about VIX yesterday, and VIX actually dumped down in the last few minutes of the bell yesterday. So this chart does not actually show it though. So yeah, that's what's happening today. So be safe out there, guys. Might be a little bumpy ride today. So with that being said, I'll see you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys on Monday.